Welcome back to T's Health and Fitness Lounge, where we're dedicated to bringing you the latest insights and tips on health and fitness. Today, we delve into a practice that has been embraced for centuries, renowned for its transformative effects on both the mind and body: meditation. In this video, we'll uncover the top 5 remarkable benefits that regular meditation can bestow upon you. Whether you're a seasoned practitioner looking for a refresher or someone entirely new to this ancient art, this video is designed to enlighten and inspire. From reducing stress to sharpening mental focus, from enhancing emotional well-being to improving physical health, meditation is a holistic practice that holds the keys to unlocking your true potential. So, if you're ready to discover how meditation can elevate your overall well-being, stay tuned as we dive deep into the science and art of meditating for a healthier mind and body. 1. Stress reduction. Benefit number 1, and perhaps one of the most immediate rewards of a regular meditation practice, is stress reduction. In our fast-paced, modern lives, stress has become an all-too-common companion, impacting both our mental and physical well-being. When you engage in meditation, you embark on a journey inward, creating a tranquil sanctuary within yourself. As you sit or lie down in a comfortable position, close your eyes, and focus on your breath, you begin to disconnect from the external world. This deliberate act of mindfulness allows your body and mind to unwind, releasing the tension that accumulates throughout the day. Scientific studies have provided compelling evidence for the effectiveness of meditation in stress management. Regular practice has been shown to reduce the production of stress hormones like cortisol, which are responsible for the fight-or-flight response. Instead, meditation encourages the release of feel-good chemicals such as endorphins and serotonin, promoting a sense of well-being and relaxation. The benefits extend beyond the mental realm. Meditation's calming influence has profound implications for your physical health. It can lower blood pressure, a critical factor in reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Moreover, by alleviating stress, meditation supports a robust immune system, helping you ward off illness and recover more quickly when you do get sick. In today's hectic world, where the pressures of work, family, and personal goals can weigh heavily on us, meditation offers a respite, a moment to reset and restore balance. If you're seeking a way to manage the demands of daily life more gracefully, meditation could be the key to unlocking a more peaceful, stress-free existence. So, make yourself comfortable and stay tuned as we explore the additional benefits that meditation has in store for both your mind and body. 2. Improved mental clarity and focus. Benefit number 2 is a gift for your mind: improved mental clarity and focus through meditation. In our information-rich, digitally connected world, the ability to maintain sharp mental focus is a precious asset. Meditation serves as a powerful tool to help you enhance and sustain this essential cognitive skill. As you engage in a regular meditation practice, you'll find that your mind becomes more adept at filtering out distractions. This heightened ability to concentrate on the task at hand can translate into increased productivity in various aspects of your life, whether at work, during study sessions, or even while pursuing your fitness goals. Scientific research supports the idea that meditation positively influences cognitive function. It has been linked to structural changes in the brain, particularly in areas responsible for attention and memory. This means that with consistent meditation, you can actually train your brain to become more focused and resilient against distractions. Furthermore, meditation provides a mental sanctuary where you can observe your thoughts without judgment. This self-awareness is a cornerstone of mindfulness, a quality that not only sharpens your focus but also allows you to make more deliberate and considered choices in your daily life. So, if you've ever struggled with distractions, mental fog, or a sense of being overwhelmed by the demands of modern life, meditation can be your ally in reclaiming mental clarity and sharpening your focus. Stay with us as we explore more benefits that meditation has to offer for your overall well-being. 3. Emotional well-being. Benefit number 3 delves into the profound impact of meditation on emotional well-being. In today's world, where stressor, uncertainties, and emotional challenges are a part of life, maintaining a healthy emotional balance is crucial. Meditation is a practice that can significantly bolster your emotional resilience and happiness. When you meditate, you enter a state of mindfulness and self-reflection. This allows you to observe your thoughts and emotions from a detached perspective. Over time, this practice can help you develop a healthier relationship with your emotions. You'll become better at recognizing and managing negative emotions like anxiety, anger, and sadness. Meditation also fosters a sense of inner peace and calm. By regularly calming the mind and reducing stress, you're better equipped to handle the emotional ups and downs that life throws your way. This practice encourages a more positive outlook on life, which can lead to increased feelings of contentment and happiness. Scientific studies have consistently shown that meditation can be an effective tool for managing mood disorders like depression and anxiety. It's not a replacement for professional treatment, but it can be a valuable complement, helping to alleviate symptoms and improve overall emotional well-being. Additionally, meditation cultivates qualities such as compassion, empathy, and gratitude. These qualities can enhance your relationships with others and contribute to a more fulfilling and emotionally satisfying life. So, whether you're looking to better manage stress, overcome negative emotions, or simply foster a deeper sense of contentment, meditation can be a powerful ally on your journey to emotional well-being. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the multifaceted benefits of meditation for both the mind and body. 4. Physical health benefits. Benefit number 4 takes us into the realm of physical health, where meditation offers a plethora of advantages that can significantly impact your overall well-being. While meditation is primarily associated with mental and emotional benefits, its positive effects on the body are equally noteworthy. One of the most prominent physical benefits of meditation is the reduction of stress-related symptoms. Chronic stress can take a toll on the body, contributing to conditions like high blood pressure, heart disease, and compromised immune function. By calming the nervous system, meditation helps lower stress hormone levels, promoting a healthier cardiovascular system and reducing the risk of related ailments. Meditation has also been linked to improved sleep quality. Many people struggle with sleep disorders or restless nights, which can adversely affect physical health. Regular meditation practices have been shown to enhance sleep patterns by calming the mind and reducing anxiety, leading to more restful and restorative sleep. Furthermore, the practice of meditation can have a positive impact on pain management. It's often incorporated into pain relief programs to help individuals cope with conditions like chronic pain, headaches, and even post-operative discomfort. Meditation's ability to increase pain tolerance and decrease the perception of pain is backed by scientific studies. Additionally, meditation encourages healthier lifestyle choices. As you become more mindful of your body and its needs through meditation, you may find it easier to make positive choices related to diet and exercise. This can further contribute to your physical well-being. So, if you're looking for ways to enhance your physical health, from reducing stress-related risks to improving sleep and pain management, meditation is a holistic practice that can benefit your body just as much as your mind. Stay with us as we uncover the final benefit of meditation for the mind-body connection. 5. Mind-body connection. Benefit number 5 delves into the fascinating realm of the mind-body connection, a synergy that meditation beautifully enhances. While the mind and body are often viewed as separate entities, they are intrinsically linked, and meditation serves as a bridge to strengthen this connection. Through meditation, you embark on a journey of self-discovery and self-awareness. This practice encourages you to be present in the moment, to observe your thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations without judgment. This heightened awareness fosters a deep connection between your mental and physical experiences. As you meditate, you may begin to notice the intricate interplay between your thoughts and bodily sensations. For example, you might become aware of how stress or anxiety manifests physically as muscle tension or shallow breathing. This newfound awareness enables you to address these issues directly, using your mind to influence your body's response. Studies in the field of psychoneuroimmunology have shown that our thoughts and emotions can impact our immune system's function. By reducing stress and promoting emotional well-being through meditation, you are also supporting a robust immune response, which can aid in overall health and illness prevention. Moreover, the mind-body connection fostered by meditation can enhance your athletic performance. Athletes often use mindfulness techniques to improve focus and control over their bodies, optimizing their training and competitive edge. In essence, meditation offers a pathway to a more harmonious and integrated existence. It empowers you to harness the profound influence of your mind over your body and vice versa. This connection holds the potential for healing, well-being, and a more profound understanding of your own physical and mental potential. So, if you're seeking to deepen your connection between mind and body, meditation is a practice that can help you unlock this extraordinary synergy. Stay with us as we conclude our exploration of the top 5 benefits of meditation for your mind and body. In conclusion, we've delved into the incredible world of meditation and explored its profound benefits for both your mind and body. From stress reduction to improved mental clarity and emotional well-being, from physical health enhancements to a deepened mind-body connection, meditation offers a holistic approach to overall well-being. But our journey doesn't end here. To continue reaping the rewards of meditation and to explore more topics related to health and fitness, be sure to click the link in the video description below. It will take you to a treasure trove of resources, guided meditations, and informative content that can support your wellness journey. And here's where you come in. If you found this video insightful and helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button. By subscribing to T's Health and Fitness Lounge, you'll stay updated on our latest content and join our growing community of health and fitness enthusiasts. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for joining us today on this exploration of meditation's transformative power. We look forward to having you as part of our community. Until next time, stay mindful, stay healthy, and take care.